Hey YouTube, aka Soggy Buns here, and today I'm going to talk about Genymotion. So I'm going to talk about initial install and just my overall impressions of it. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to thank a comment in the YouTube in our YouTube section. He suggested that we should try Genymotion, and after installing and downloading, we'll see if he was right. So anyways, to get Genymotion, you just go to Google and just type Genymotion.com. As you can see here, this is their website, and I think it's awesome. They got the little Android guys sword fighting with the marshmallows. But anyways, you come here to their website. And just a little bit about their website. It says, you know, quicker APK, avoid bugs, and then here's who's it's for: sales team, help desk, you know, developers, you know, basically anyone that's working with Android development or Android apps. So pretty cool. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to go ahead and click choose a plan, and then if you want, you can click a business or an enterprise plan if that suits your needs. But for us today, we're just going to use an individual. So just scroll back up to the top and click the individual tab, and then click just basic, get started. I do believe that you will have to create a login to be able to download it, but login's pretty simple. Just go ahead and give them your credentials. They'll send you an email, and then email them back. Pretty simple. But anyways, I have already downloaded Genymotion. I have already created a login, so I'll go ahead and launch it and show you what it looks like launched. So this is what Genymotion looks like launched. As you can see, it looks very similar to the Android virtual devices. Right here, I've already created a device, but just to show you how to do it, what you do is you go ahead and click the add button, and then here are a list of a bunch of devices. I think you also can download more lists, but I'm just going to use the Google 5, the Nexus 5, just like before. Just go ahead and click OK. And it's pretty quick and easy to deploy one of these virtual devices. So I'm going to go ahead and just double click on that device just like before. Let's go ahead and start that virtual device. It doesn't take too long to launch it, actually quite a bit quicker than Android Virtual Device Manager. So here's what it looks like launched up. As you can see, we got Android booting. And like I said before, it doesn't take as long. The other cool feature is you have a battery section over here. If you click on this, you can go ahead and toggle if the battery's on, off. If you're charging, you can even adjust the level of charge that it has. So pretty nice if you're going to be developing an app that tests or uses battery function or charging function. Has a GPS built in. So that's cool. You can turn on the GPS. Turn it on and off if your app uses GPS. Also has a camera function, so that's really cool. You can turn the camera on and off. It has a dummy webcam for you. And I believe, I have not tested this, but I believe if you plug in a USB webcam, or if you have a built-in webcam on your laptop, I believe that will also work on here as well. So that's pretty cool. You can test your app, see how the camera functions work. That's actually really neat. I would be happy with just having the camera, but also having the battery and the GPS is nice. Also has some volume rockers and rotate screen, a back button, and the home see all your app button. The other buttons on the side, I believe you do have to pay for a premium version or a business version to be able to have those, but honestly, with the camera, that's more than enough for individual for free use. And then you open up here, here's all the apps, just like before. So quite awesome. Pretty fluid, works pretty quickly. So let's go ahead and show you how to launch an app from Android Studio. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and go ahead and just open Android Studio, click the play button just like before, and if you'll notice, Genymotion, it sees Genymotion as a running device. That's because we launched Genymotion before we started Android Studio. So go ahead, just click on that, click OK. And then just like before, it will build and send your application to that virtual device. So if we look down here in the console, it says no errors, and then it launched. So pretty awesome, pretty flawless. So this is just a little app I made, and it's working just like it's supposed to. So it's pretty awesome. If we go in here, we'll look. The app should be there. Yep, there's the application. It launches. So pretty awesome, pretty easy. So once again, you just press play, choose the device, press OK, and then it will launch. It'll send the application and launch to that device. So I think Genymotion's awesome. I think it's worth it, especially if you're having that Intel Haxum problem. It's just an easier device manager, and I recommend it. So thanks for suggesting it, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.